Go.
Okay, 6-3, this is the third part. Let's talk about some real life situations that you would have to use the tic-tac-toe idea to help you solve. The first example is if you have what are called similar figures. One is a shrunken size of the other. You got a little one, you got a big one. Could be triangles, could be rectangles, could be anything. In this example, I have a big triangle. One of these sides is 25, the other 60. I have a little bitty triangle, and I know one of its sides 12, and I want you to find the other side. So, to start out with, you're going to do your tic-tac-toe board. Okay, the given one is your big triangle. So, you have to name the side somehow, so I'm going to call this the left side, and this one the right side. So in the big triangle, the given that the left side was 25 and the right side was 60. In the one that I don't know, the little baby triangle, I don't know the left side, so I'm going to call it X, but I do know the other side, I'm going to call it 12. So now I have my information organized and I can set up my proportion. 25 over 60 is going to be equal to X over 12. Then you cross multiply. 25 times 12 is going to be 300 equals 60x. Then you divide both sides by 60 and you're going to get that x is 5. So the missing side is 5 inches. Okay. The second one is in a real life situation. Here they stuck a post in the ground. I'm not an artist. I know my post is 6 inches tall and it makes a shadow that's 10 inches. And I've got this big tall tower and it makes a shadow of 65 feet. So I'm wanting to know how tall is the building. It's not very practical to measure it. So I'm going to do the same exact thing. Set up my tic-tac-toe board. Okay. They gave you the post. The question was about the tower. Okay. And what they've compared how tall it is with its shadow. So that's the two things I'm comparing. So in the post, I know it's 6 inches tall and it's 10 inches for its shadow. For the tower, I don't know how tall it is, but I do know that its shadow is 65 feet. So now I have my information organized. I'm ready to do a proportion. 6 over 10 would equal x over 65. Cross multiply. 390 would equal 10x. Then divide to solve for your x. And you'll get that x is 39. So my tower is 39 feet tall. And there you go.